Want to boost engagement and earn more diamonds on TikTok Live? Add Ludo to the fun. First, you need two devices, one to go live on TikTok and another to run the Ludo game. On your main device, tap the plus icon at the bottom, then swipe to live and start your TikTok Live stream. Now, grab your second device and open your preferred Ludo app. Make sure it has a multiplayer or pass-on-play option. Start a local or pass-on-play game. You'll be the host, and your viewers will tell you their moves. Position your second device so your TikTok Live viewers can clearly see the Ludo board. Announce in your Live that you are playing Ludo. Ask viewers to participate by telling you which piece to move and how many spaces. For example, red, move piece 1, 3 spaces. Act on the instructions given in the chat in your Ludo app. Interact with viewers as you proceed. Keep interacting, keep the game going, and watch your views and engagement soar. Enjoy playing Ludo with your TikTok Live audience.